right now. You are now tuned in. Pen Crispy. I'm still going in.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, CrySTYLE Beauty. So if my face is not familiar to you and you're not a subscriber, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the post notifications so you won't miss a thing. And also give this video a big thumbs up before we get started. Alright, so I'm going to start off with my eyebrows, and I'm going to be using the chocolate bar palette, the Too Faced chocolate bar palette, and I'm using Triple Fudge. I hate when Pandora had these ads.
Such golden crispy deliciousness and so juicy.
Alright, so I'm going to be using this LA Girl Pro Concealer and Warm Honey just to to arch my eyebrows. Alright, so I'm going to be going into my ColourPop palette, and I'm going to be using this shade Chauffeur, which is this brown color, and this is going to be my transition. My allergies have been terrible already. Like, we're not even good into spring yet, and my allergies have been kicking my butt. Alright, so I'm going to go in with this shade first, and this is called Champs. This shade is called Champs. This is going to go on my outer corner. Alright, so now I'm going to go into this like very pale shade, almost white. This shade is called Bling, and I'm going to put that on my lid. I hope I do not get copyrighted. Why am I keep looking at this like it has a mirror. Where's my mirror at? And I'm just tapping it in. I'm not swiping. Just tapping it on my lid. Right now I'm just going back in and blending everything back out. Alright, so now I'm going to just take this silver glitter, this is an eyeliner, and I'm just going to put that over my lid as well. Alright, so I'm going to create a wing liner with this gel liner. Nothing too dramatic. Or should I do dramatic? This is a prom makeup look, but it's a very simple glam makeup. So I'm just gonna move right into the face. I'm gonna go in with this NYX pore filler and just put this where my pores really show. Alright, so I'm going to go in with my concealer as a foundation, and this is in the shade Fawn. I did update my, makeup routine. Oh my god. So I am just going to be using this for my face. Okay, so this is what I used to highlight, and this is in the shade Beige. I don't put that much because I think it is too light for me. And I also work with intersections on this, so. Alright, so for my contour, I'm going to be using this shade, the LA Girl Pro Concealer, in the shade is called Toast. This is my first time buying this color. I hope it's not too dark, too harsh. Hopefully it blends properly. I'm going to just start off with a little bit. It looked like you just took it away. Let's try it again. So I want to go in this Revolution Skin Kiss highlighter. I'm going to go back into the eyes, and I'm going to just do my lower lash line and pop on some lashes. Alright, and so for my lower lash line, I'm going to use this shade called Butter Cake. This eyelash glue is not sticking either. Okay, maybe I was wrong about the eyelash glue. I just didn't let it dry as much. But it does stick. So far it does stick. Alright, so I'm going to be using this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the shade, well, the color is called Stockholm. I think that's how you pronounce it. Alright, so there you guys have it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this soft glam prom makeup look. If you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. And also turn on the post notifications so you don't miss a thing. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.